What are you putting in your shirt? Is that lettuce? What else? It is lettuce. What else is down there? Are those stickers in there? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Is your belly button down there? Where's your belly button? That's not your belly button. Where's your belly button? Yeah, down there with the lettuce, huh? Are you getting it? You tell bye-bye? I see your boobies. You better cover up those boobies.